They were recording you. You signed your consent thing?
No, I did not.
Finish. 6. Good.
We did like record styles. Oh, like the winners are like 2 play, and the other 2 teams are off play. Just came after that. Oh, okay. So then winners play, and then after winners play, then the winner of that game just stays on. Like a Super Bowl, dude. Yeah, if you guys, I don't know, if one of these days that like they don't know if I'm like a free player, then I'll feel okay. You guys have fun. I didn't know. Hello? Is that normal how it is? Or just like kind of just have like your like you and Anton guys find team together?
We know people.
Oh, Alan. Where's Alan? I have the game here because we asked this kid. Anton's supposed to tell them. Hunter invited you and then didn't even go. You have what? I have my passport. Oh, yeah. Okay. It's not that bad, man. They went to a different forest now. Who do you think will be like the winner of this game? I feel like that's college. Yeah. It doesn't seem like there's like a like a win, like a Super Bowl team or something else. That's 28-28 is a long game. Not crazy, yeah. That's just that guy? Oh shit, really? With the Kyle Harvey shit? Yeah. Everyone, dude. Everyone went to the farm. Anyone want this too? Yeah, I was gonna say, we play club too. Oh, that's what happens. That's what happens when you take it seriously. Oh, really? For the club team? Just in general. What club do they? So what is club like? Is that like you have like a team that you like run with? That's weird. You have a club team. So at first they stole all their guys. Oh yeah. And then they put the best in the best. Yeah, but yeah, like your first seed, second seed. It's all the same club. They'll verse each other and stuff. That'd be sick to do something like that. All that just to play volleyball? I mean, it's like really like oh yeah. Of course, it's the closest place to get. I remember being those kids at Bowling Grove or whatever. The one time that like our team came, it was the fourth quarter that you guys remember playing. Yeah, dude, I saw some high schoolers there that were like that, like all the gear and really annoying.
Did you wrestle with these guys?
Yeah, he knows. Yeah, he knows. We did good. Yeah, we left. We did good.
Is that the one where you guys were playing again?
We got like 2 games. Yeah. That was good. Holy fuck. Whatever reason, I got the yellow ball. Yeah, that's kind of that ball right there. I don't care. Yeah, me too. That's a ball I'm more used to. Yeah. He threw it out. Yeah. Those poker kids are dude, yeah. I don't know if they're any club or not. He's actually just saying the same. He actually like chilled out. He's always chilling. Oh shit. Oh, they're doing the white shirt. I feel like most people, they either chill out or they've always been chill. Or they're annoying or something. Yeah. They chill out. Yeah, they both seem really good. So you have to wait now for this game and then a winner's game, and then you guys play again? Well, that's nice. At least then it's not like, if you would have played this game and lost, you'd have to wait an extra game. We're going to be winning 2 games. Oh wait, extra game. You have a chance. I thought he was looking at us. Yeah, that was good. Holy fuck. That looked so close. Oh, I touched it? That looked in. But from here, yeah. We're on the west side for game testing. That's why I was going like. I want to be able to swing like that, dude. Yeah. I feel like you have to have like a good vertical and good technique. I'm glad that you don't have to swing like that anymore though. It's like sometimes I'll still swing like that, my shoulder will hurt a bit, and I'll be like, damn, I need to remember like those, not going from like this, you know, it's too low to my shader cuts move that fast. That's probably close to one motion or something like that. Oh! Yeah. Oh shit. Ball came flying in. Oh, scooter to the ankle.
Yeah, dude. That whole
Had a lot of spin on it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's hard to like, I don't know.
Bring it.
Like it used to be like,
Oh, yeah, right there,
this,
look.
and then swing it down. I'm getting better with it. Well, definitely better than back then. I don't swing like that. But I get so, like sometimes I do, and I'll feel my shoulder like just tense, and then I swing. Oh, yeah, yeah. I feel like if I played for like... Alright, buddy. I feel like if I played that way for like a while, I'd be a lot better. Actually, the Chargers over there. I don't know. They're on that core or that car. I don't know. I haven't gone over there. After the beginning, I saw them walk over there. I was like, alright. I saw them walk over at the beginning. I was like, alright, I'll stay over there. There's a different cycle of players now, though, from like a couple weeks ago. Like some new people coming in. Yeah, actually, like, none of this, yeah. Yeah. Huh? I don't know, you got to see it. I thought you were looking at pictures. sent so many games that they beat on college and shit.
You know, like, you ever seen Whiplash?
Yeah.
Like that type of shit? Oh, yeah.
I'm not sure she still does.
She's pretty good when she wants to play.
Yeah.
When she wants to, like, actually play.
Got up with me.
That's just crazy. At least he touched it. There's a dude like that at Baltimore yesterday. Oh, no, on Friday, I mean. Because on Friday we didn't get in. We went to, not the place that I saw you at. It was like a different random place. And like some, like, there's like a pool there and shit. I don't know.
Bolingbrook? Yeah.
Yeah, that place. So, we were there, and the, what's it called? There was a guy there who hit like this special. You know, they have like, they're up in the air for a long time, so they can like change where they hit.
He had a nice roast.
Oh, did he?
Damn.
Damn. Just fucking shot up. That probably helped a little bit.
Yeah. I mean, he wanted this one too. Little second.
That's a good, see that? Good technique. Yeah. So are you on, no, you're not, you're off another game, right? And then so this is the winner game. Over there or something? Something in.